It's pointed to 4 different groups. So now it's chiral, and he's asking कि उसके ना दोनों optical isomers को draw करो. So you can do that. It's going to be carbon. Tetrahedral बनाओ वो जो chiral carbon atom है, ठीक है? So and he's asking for इस चीज का ख्याल रखना है, displayed formula. If he says displayed, then you're bound to draw every single bond. So it's going to be CH3. Right side पे ठीक है, that's CH3. Top पे H, bottom पे OH. So there's H. O और H का भी bond show करना है. और यहाँ पे there's 2 C's, CH2. And there is CH3. और फिर इसकी mirrored version would be exactly the opposite. उसको left to right literally invert कर दो कि the dotted bond would be over here. This is the wedge-shaped bond. Or CH2, CH3 was on the left, now it's on the right.